Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about revision cloud. Whether this revision cloud is important, what does it is going to do. Revision cloud is nothing but the name itself indicating cloud. How you are going to get your clouds. There are in different patterns, right? The same way here, this revision clouds will be in the three forms. You can just click on your draw toolbar. It is also a draw toolbar command. So here at the corner, you are going to get the revision cloud. There are three different types. One is rectangular revision cloud, polygonal, and freehand. So under this draw toolbar also, you just click over here you are going to get the revision cloud, right? So there is no shortcut here for this one. You just type in the revision cloud in the command. So here why I was taken this diagram or center line diagram for this one. For example, whatever the column we have placed over here, this is my center line diagram. I have been given to the architecture people or the person who is executing in the site. For example, I got some problem. There is a one stone or anything else due to any site conditions or any problems occurs. If I want to modify this column, so if I want to tell to the structural engineer that you need to change this column. So during those course, how you are going to indicate whether it is going to look beautiful when we are going with respect to circle, just like this one. This is wrong, so this is wrong, so it won't look any nice or aesthetic. So because of that reason, so whenever we have got any problems or issues, if you want to follow back to the structural engineer or any of the person who has drawn these diagrams, you want to tell that person, please check this or particular point or a diagram. Then during this course you can go with just like a rectangle, for example. So if I was choosing the first one as a rectangle cloud, if this column was an error for me in the site, so then what I will do, I'll just drag this one. See here, we are going to get just like a cloud like structure. So this is in the form of a rectangle. For example, if I was getting this also an error, so if you want to show in the different patterns, so here you got the polygonal. So polygon is nothing but more than two to three different sides. See here, so this is my three and this is my fourth. So if I was showing like this, so then I will hit enter, so it will be in the polygonal shape. So if you want to indicate any of the column with respect to a freehand, so that column is an error, so then I will go with respect to the freehand. Any one you can go with respect to. If you want to, until and unless the starting point should be closed with respect to the ending point, then only it is going to end, or else it will continue be in the different forms, right? See here, so now it has been not over because the starting point, it has not been touched. See, now it has been closed. So be careful whenever you are using with respect to the freehand. The starting and ending point should be touched at the early stage, then only it will look nice. See, for example, if I was choosing with respect to this one and this one, see here, freehand and your polygonal or your rectangle. Well, rectangle is looking quite good when compared to these two things. So go with respect to the rectangle. Whenever if you want to show with respect to rectangle, go with rectangle, or if you are good at the freehand, then you please go with respect to good hand, not an issue, right? So this is about your what I'll call revision cloud. If you got any doubts in revision cloud, please ping me in the comment section. Definitely I was going to help you people. So now we are going to take a small topic, that is your block and explode. So what is this block, what it is going to do? It is also your what I'll call draw toolbar command. So first what I will do, I will take one rectangle, right? See here, I was taking one rectangle in front of you, right? So I want to fill this rectangle with the help of your hatch, right? In the previous class, we have seen with respect to what hatching is going to do, right? See, now I want to fill this one with the help of a solid one, right? This has been filled. For example, if I was choosing this one, if I want to move this rectangle from this point to this point, so what I will do, check out here, when I was moving, these two are not coming at a time, means along the side it is not moving. This rectangle is separated from this hatching. So what we need to do, these two be stick together. So because of that reason, what we are going to do, we are going to use that one, which one? Block command. So these two should be blocked, right? You can check out in the draw toolbar command. So under this draw toolbar command, you are going to see the block. Here you are going to get the block, right? So again, this is block we are going to do with the help of these two things, these two different things. So let's check how it is going to do. First, you can select this one or you can give the command. The shortcut key for this block is B, right? So what I will do, first I will select this one, then I will give command. So you can do either ways. First you can give the command, then you can select the object, or if by selecting the first object, I was selecting first object, then I will give the block. When I click this one, a dialog box will open in front of me. So first what we need to do, we need to give this block a name, specific name or a meaningful name we need to give, or else anything if you can, anything you can give, that is a good one. But if you give a meaningful name, that could be the good practice for you people. If anyone wants to read your diagram, if we click this one in the block session, so it will indicate what does it is showing me. So for example, if I was showing me if I will indicate with respect to the column, so I will write COLMN column, I will write, right? So this will done. The next one is your base point. Base point means, see here I was getting the blue lines or a blue nodes. Here I was getting around 9 to 10. So if you are selecting this as my base, this as my starting point, means then what you need to do, you need to provide your base point. So that is, I was choosing this base point and I was clicking over here. Whenever I will click over here, my x, y and z coordinate value, it is going to set for me. See here, the x coordinate and y coordinate will be set for me. Then z will be 0 because we are working in the 2D AutoCAD. So the block unit will be in the inches, right? The next one is there, the object. Specify on the screen, or you can drag and select this one. So as I said to you, if you are starting only, if you are not selecting that one, you can hit this one. So now you can select your complete object and press the enter or space. Again it will come here. So again you are going to get the three options. So if you want to retain that one, or you want to convert into the block, retain means as it is going to retain. It will not do anything. It will just create your name on block name, and it is not going to do anything. If you want to delete any of the block, if you have already created, you can do that one, right? Now it is indicating me two objects were selected. So if you want to give, if you are working with respect to the higher diagrams or higher plans, so during those time, if any one person, if is not understanding the column, which column it is indicating, if you want to give a detailed description, you can please go ahead with respect to this one also. This annotative, as I told you people, I will teach you in separate class, right? So once you have done these things, then you just click on OK. Now it has been created one block. If I select this one, this time I was going to get only one node at this corner because I have selected this as my base point. Now during this time, what I will do, I will just move this one. Both the bodies will move at a time because it has been created in block. So few people's a few times what we are going to get, we want to edit this color, whatever the hatching color is there. So if I was taken the same color for the 2 to the 3 different objects also, if I want to change this color, or if I was not liking this color, if I want to change, then what can I do? You just double tap, you will enter into the block. It is going to open the dialog box over here. So it is going to say me that block to create or edit. So if I want to edit, if you just click on this one, so here you can edit. Everything will be in the white screen. So here you can edit. Okay, this rectangle box you can edit. So whatever the color you want, you just select this one. The hatching will open. For example, during this time I want to give this yellow color. This will look same color. I'll go with green, so I'll hit enter. Okay, this will ask me whether I want to save. Yes, I will give as a save. So see, you can check out here, it has been created to the same thing, same color it has been created, right? Now okay, now you can check out here, this block I want to break this block. How you are going to break this block? with the help of explode. So the shortcut key for your explode is nothing but just like an explosion. The same thing we are going to do here. You just select the object and press the X, that is your explode shortcut key. You press X and you press space or enter. These two will get separated now. See, now you can move the only rectangle it can move. So now have been separated and have been collaborated. So this is how your block and explode will work in your AutoCAD. So where we are going to use this block and explode block especially. So we see here I have been created columns. So I have been taken, this is in a block 1, this I have been taken a block. Whenever if you are not what will call, if you are not providing a base point, so there will be no base point on single node, you are not going to see. So if you are not creating that one, then it will looks like this one. Okay, so this is uh, how we are dealing with respect to the block and explode. If you got any doubts with respect to these three topics, you please ping me in the comment section and definitely I will help you out. Thank you guys.